Mine was actually faster.
I recently decided to start doing a training program for a half marathon.
All right, YouTube, what the heck's going on? Happy, what's today, Sunday? Today's Sunday, right? Yeah, Ryan's shaking his head, yes. Today is Sunday, happy Sunday. We are about to head over to a short dinner for Ford Performance. I sold that man, you can't see him, but I sold that man a car about a year ago, a little over a year ago now. They invited us out, well, him out, and therefore me, because I sold him the car, to a Ford Performance event to drive Mustang Dark Horse. So today's the dinner, tomorrow's the event. Yeah, this should be fun.
All right, what's up, YouTube? So we did the dinner a little bit ago, as you guys just saw. I'm out right now doing some speed work. To get you guys caught up on something, I recently decided to start doing a Nike Run Club training program for a half marathon. And right now, we're running through Hendrick Motorsports dealership park, which is really cool. This is the Dodge dealership, and it is pretty dang massive. And then you also have a GM Defense Center, which is really freaking cool. Look at all these freaking birds. Just thought this Dodge and Jeep display was really cool right in front of Hendrick. Quick recap of our run. We are at 3.1 miles right now, so basically at a 5K. I've been walking for the last little bit, doing some cool down. Today was interval training, 7 minutes at 5K pace, 3 different intervals, and a 5-minute warm-up at the beginning. Really good. Trying out some new shoes. I got these Nike supports. I also got some glycerins from Brooks. These supports actually are structures. Sorry, they're called structures, Nike structures. These actually did really good. I was really impressed. Highly recommend grabbing a pair if you see them. Not the most, responsive pair of running shoes. More so just good everyday trainers, I would say. I think the glycerins are better for that springiness, from what I can tell. I regret getting just the regular pair of glycerins though, and not the GTS, because the GTS has the added support on the inside of the shoe, whereas the regular glycerin does not. So I ended up getting a insole for that, as someone with completely flat feet. But yeah, highly recommend these shoes. And that's gonna call it for today. I'll see you guys at the track. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to Ford Performance for the day, and it looks like these are gonna be our chariots for the day. Ryan, you excited? Yeah.
Look at how well this thing must stop with those big bros.
I know. So we're taking the EcoBoost first. So this is the EcoBoost, actually has the drift brake in it, which is a bit of a surprise. What is the test we're doing first again?
Autocross.
The autocross?
I think autocross is first.
Autocross. All right, we're heading out towards the track now. This is freaking exciting. There is Charlotte. All right, look at all these cars. Focus RSs, obviously the Mustangs, GT500 there, and some Dark Horses. Here's a little bit of blasphemy. You got a Tundra on the medical team. All right, autocross, sir. Let's do this. So this time, it's just a simple little lap behind the instructor, but it's me versus you, Bubba.
That's right.
Later on. Wait, what'd you say?
I'm gonna whoop you.
You're gonna whoop me?
If I can handle a Ducati on the track, I can handle these things.
I can handle you.
Whoa.
We'll see. May the best man win, my friend.
That's right.
May the best man win.
Thank you, sir.
All right. First recon lap. So right now we're just doing a short little look through, effectively. Tight left-hander here. Big speed section. Really tight hairpin.
Strong brakes, I can get on.
Yeah, no kidding. Tight left right here. Right left here.
It's very tight. That left-hander is tight. And then you got this right-hander, which is really tight. Another tight right. And now here's the tricky part, is figuring out where you're gonna brake at to stop between these cones.
I think stops hard.
47.76 for first run.
Everybody else is doing for time.
These little EcoBoosts actually don't sound bad with that performance exhaust. I know. All right, money run time.
That's right.
Are you ready, buddy? Are you ready?
Ready.
You ready? I get to go after this, so but he's not gonna record it because he might get sick.
Ready.
Here we go. Best time you've done, my friend.
That was a little better.
Just 3 seconds off of the guy that does autocross on a daily. So
Pack leader.
I would say that's
Pack
pretty
leader.
good. I would say that's pretty good. What do you say?
I'm happy with 30.
I'm pretty happy.
That's almost 38 flat.
I'm pretty proud. Pretty damn
Call
proud.
Anthony. What did he run for his last time?
35. Okay, so you got what again?
I ran a 38.05. No penalties though. Clean lap.
Okay, so I got a 34, what was it? 34.59 or something like that?
Yes.
But I hit 2 cones, so I get 2 seconds
No, 2 seconds apiece. So you get 4
Per-
seconds.
per cone.
So I ran the faster lap.
Mine was actually faster. I just hit cones.
That means mine was faster.
No. Mine was actually faster.
We're playing by rules.
Who's winning in an actual race here?
Ford set the rules. You didn't set the rules.
So happy with my time, even though I hit
Even though
2
mine was
cones. So
a
mad.
whole second faster.
So mad.
I read it again.
That time we did it.
Hey, pre-collision.
So we just got out of the Vapor Blue GT. What'd you think of the GT?
It's fun. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
Really freaking awesome. Obviously I used to sell these things, so kind of familiar with them already, but it's cool to actually be able to use them for what they're meant to be used for. Eat some lunch and then go drive those things. So this is our Chariot for the afternoon. Manual Dark Horse. You can see the Tremec there with the blue shifter. We got the Recaros. All right, guys. So we're here in the Dark Horse now. We're getting ready to head over to the racetrack here in a second. We're using the hairpin layout of Charlotte Motor Speedway. Ryan, of course, is going to be driving first. I'll be taking over afterwards, and we're going to swap off a little bit, do some one-on-one stuff as well. Luckily, Ford is providing us with a camera, so I don't have to mount it myself. It's wonderful. Hopefully the quality is good. We'll find out later.
Yeah, low grip back there.
All right, guys, so Ryan is currently out on his first session for the day. He's car 16, I think it is. So let's see if we can spot him from up here. Nope, he's 6. That's him second right there. And there's Ryan. I believe behind him at 23 is Anthony. By the
way that this session works is it's a lead follow. So you're following the instructor. They're continuously picking up speed as you do a little bit better. So this will be kind of fun to do whenever I finally get my chance in the car. But yeah, this will be fun. You see the hairpin here. You gotta go real wide on that hairpin because you don't want to slip on the paint. That's right there.
Like I have like 3 friends in this happening to me. Yeah.
Ryan is car number 3.
Alright guys, so we just finished up with the lead follow session. According to our instructor, he was going about 7 out of 10. For me, that was a 10 out of 10.
This thing is really awesome to drive at 10 tenths. For me, at least 10 tenths.
I locked up once going into the hairpin. I caught a little slide at one point as well. So I just went for a demo run with one of the instructors. His name is Devin. He's the lead instructor for the program. Holy crap. I'm missing a lot of time in a lot of spots. I think the biggest thing that I took away from that was that I'm not getting on the brakes hard enough, and I'm not trusting the tires enough. I'm not leaning on the car enough. Because that's what a lot of what he was doing differently than me, was he was leaning on the car harder and he was braking a lot harder. I think I've got a lot I can learn from that and improve upon if, you know, whenever I actually get a chance to do this kind of thing again. But massive amount of fun this was. Super appreciate both Ford Performance for doing this for guys that buy Mustangs, and for my buddy for inviting me along, Ryan. Huge thank you to you, bro. I super appreciate it. I've got to run tonight, so I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care.